Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we are unboxing Taparia 80-piece screwdriver bit set. Let's unbox the package. This is the package guys. Let's see what else we have got in this package. Here we are having 50 mm torque bits, slotted bits, tamper torque bits and hex bits. In the middle we are having bigger Phillips screwdriver bits with PH1 and PH2 on either both ends. One end is PH1 and another is PH2. Here we are having 25 mm screwdriver bits, which are used in normal screwdrivers. Here we are having a ratcheting screwdriver. Here we are having bit extender, which will help in extending the smaller 25 mm bits. Here we are having adapters for smaller sockets. That's it guys, that is my unboxing video of Taparia 80-piece screwdriver bits. Thanks for watching.